Hi guys, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprints.com and your host Billy. For today's episode, as always, we are a channel where bringing you making money ideas, strategy, and blueprints toward your next business with your host Billy. And today we'll look at ways to earn money via YouTube. YouTube is a social media platform that's getting popular with billions of videos, so you can too make some cash if you know exactly what to do. Social media influencers are pocketing a lot of money every day. In fact, 40% of them earn more than $100,000 annually. And Maker research companies say you can make $315 for each video posted with a mere 500 subscribers on your page. The first thing you have to do besides setting up your YouTube channel is getting a lot of subscribers. So the more the merrier. The engagement level affects the amount of money you make. So for the first month or so, just concentrate on growing your subscriber list. Find the right niche and audience. Do you know your audience? You need to choose a niche to work in, and to do what you know, you gotta do market research. Know the demographics such as the gender, the age, where they live, the education level. This helps you get more loyal viewers. If you aren't sure where to start, take a look at our YouTube Studio Analytics. The link for this blog I will post in the description. Tips number 1, produce consistent relevant content. In order to get a lot of likes and engagement, your videos have to be something the subscriber will learn from, as well as want to share with each other. Number 2, concentrate on choosing the right keyword. Your video must include the right keyword that will attract the viewers. This starts with the title and description. If your video is awesome, but the title and description is not there yet, then you might lose some views. You can use Google Keyword Planner to see which keyword is trending in your niche. Tips number 3, become an Amazon affiliate on YouTube. To create an Amazon affiliate link, Google search Amazon affiliate. It should be fairly straight to the point and simple. To create an Amazon affiliate account. After you're done creating an Amazon affiliate account, you will get a special link, and you can use that link to post it in the description. So when the viewer like the video that you review about, like a refrigerator, then they'll click on the link and buy that product, and you will get a commission. Number 4, unlock ad revenue via leveraging YouTube Partner Program. Wow, this is a basic way to earn cash as an influencer on YouTube. Some folks new to the game might not understand the way YouTube Partner Program works. This is another way to make cash via accessing things like membership program, product sales, ad revenues, and super chat. The first step to get approved the program via meeting the guidelines. These rules are: must have over 4,000 hour annually watch time that come from organic views, must live in an area where you are eligible, must be over the age of 18, must have more than 1,000 subscribers, your channel must be linked to a Google AdSense account, because that's where you get the money. You must produce video which are advertiser friendly. You must follow YouTube rules for video content. Tips number 5, make money through YouTube Premium subscriber. If a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your video, you receive a percentage of the subscription fee. Tips number 6, earn cash using Super Chat. Must live in a supported area and be eligible to do live streams. Super Chats involve doing a live stream while you also chat, messaging, and up and running. Viewer must pay you around $200 for each donation to get the chat message pop up at the top of your chat board. So this is pretty much like Twitch, how Twitch streamer get donation, and the donator username will pop up on the screen for everyone to see. Tips number 7, earn cash via brand sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Now, this is a very proper way to earn cash via YouTube. I think this is the best way. But first you have to become an influencer for the brand to promote you, to accept your promotion through your channel. You have to be approved by the brand first to become an affiliate with them, like what we mentioned earlier with Amazon. You must produce superb content and contact the brand you want to engage with and try to get them to notice your channel. If approved, you make a percentage of all the sales of the product you are promoting for that brand. Big names like Walmart, Dell, Nike, Macy's, and many more you can contact to become their affiliate simply by going to Google, search up the brand name plus affiliate program. You then place your link inside of your content where the viewer goes to that link and purchase something. You receive a percentage which start between 1 to 3%, but can go higher. For this method, my favorite way is go into ClickBank, OfferVault, and find affiliate programs, because those are the programs that pay up to 100% commission fees. But you must treat YouTube like a business. You must treat your subscriber like human that they are. Try to be upfront and honest, because to be able to survive in a business, it must be legit. You must promote good products. Number 8, produce your own merchandise and promote it on YouTube. If you have your own business, you can earn much more profit than promoting someone else's stuff. You can always do this by via selling your products and bring it up a notch, add personalized products like shirts and other promotional items that help advertise your business. One such YouTuber who earned big bucks like Ryan's World, this kid started reviewing toys for others, then upgrade to having his own toy line, and then sold it to big name stores as well as online. You just need to set up a website to sell your stuff and promote it with your YouTube channel. Tips number 9, mentioning brands and videos. There are several ways to earn cash with YouTube via what you call brand integration. This includes doing things like product placement, strategic location of the brand product throughout your video. Example, showing people you drinking Pepsi and you are promoting Pepsi, okay? Another one, featuring a brand in a video. Your whole video promote a brand throughout the video in a creative way. Another one, brought to you by a certain brand video. This is similar to the above video, but it is not only about that brand. You merely mention the brand somewhere. For example, if your video is in dog training, you might mention a brand of dog food that had agreed to sponsor you. Another one, become a brand rep. You create several videos for a particular brand you are representing. Of course, you have to get them to sponsor you. The next one, fan funding. Now, this doesn't involve having to do anything except create relevant and unique content. You make your money via getting subscriber to pay for that content via things like membership, like a Patreon. However, YouTube requires you to be a YouTube partner and have at least 30,000 subscribers or higher. But gamer only required to have 1,000. Another one, sell videos to the media. If you have managed to get some newsworthy content on videos, you might be able to sell it on medias like Fox, CNN, etc. However, it's best to have content from your niche. For example, if you show a video about dog training, you could get some footage of a local dog show and sell that to the TV channel in your area. Use influence you have from other media platforms. If you already have an influence on one social media like Facebook, then you can use the clout to get those subscribers to follow you on Instagram, then use the site to redirect your visitor to your YouTube channel so you can make money off 3 social media sites at once. This also help compound your follower, so it's created like a snowball effect. If one follower found you on Facebook, they can follow you Instagram, your YouTube. So this have that compound effect to it in a long-term strategy. Another strategy, use ads. If you are a YouTube partner, you can make money on your channel via Google AdSense. You get paid via impressions. If somebody if somebody watches your ads, that's one impression. Payment rates runs around $4 for 1,000 impressions. Be aware, YouTube get 40% cut off of your profit. Public speaking events. Some influencers make their money by doing some sort of public appearance. For example, if you are a gamer on your channel, and you might be able to get paid if you show up into a new game store or a new electronic store, pop-up store or whatever, or your local gaming store, the store owner will cut you a fee. Another one, join an influencer marketing platform. There are platforms such as Scale, Fluence, all these links, I will leave it in the description for you to check out later, which have the connection to certain brands and can help influencers get paid for promoting these brands and products. So that is all the tips we have for you today on how to be successful with YouTube. Again, this is MakeMoneyBlueprint.com, your channel for your next big idea. With your host, Billy, I'll catch you on the next video.